To the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now Marcia is talking about the incident with Chris and also Sophia. Now she's saying that she is blessed and she's going to be living in anything that they can eat, she can eat too. And we know Marcia, she speaks her mind, she talks how she feels, and she's going to get things out there. She's not going to hold back. So you need to go and catch the video for yourself and like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have a wonderful day.
And first week here, worldwide award. Wrong song. The tickets are $80. Regular ticket, $125 VIP. Okay. So, come on, Suffolk. Let me make it clear again, Majesty. I don't have nothing against you. But if you call the kettle black, the kettle is black. Whatever happened between you and Sophia, phone a business, but guess what? The reason why I get involved with it, because I see the black hypocrisy we are going. One of the reasons why I get involved with it because of Stacy. That's why I get so deep. When I see that she wrote in a letter, or whoever wrote it in behalf of her, and saying that they're discriminating against her sexuality, I said, how come could she do that? When she's over there calling me cockeye, ridiculing me, putting dog side of me, drawing in my picture. May have it right on my phone. And what's so disgusting about it is to see that bloggers that I associate myself with at one point, you guys are over her page supporting her. You understand? But it's okay. You understand? Bloggers that I've known very well, who are even the mere fact that I allow you guys in my personal space to even help me with my YouTube channel at one point, and to see you guys who knows me from a long time over there supporting a woman who is ridiculing me and doing me like that. So when I came out and I was speaking, I was even thinking about Majesty, because them and Sophie have to handle that situations. It told them live in England, but all my statement was really going towards the woman. But Majesty don't want to listen to that. Him just a real upset way and a real upset way and a real upset way. And he didn't want to hear the fact that it wasn't about him. It was about Stacy. Because he keep on asking, why is she involved? Why so involved? Why Marcia take it up? And all me I say, is because of the woman, and because of the woman, Majesty don't want to hear it. Him bypass it. So why are you bypassing that? That means you want to trace me up long time then. You have me up for the you have me up for Planka group them. Or you have me up for the little videotape. What we missing perfect. Even when somebody texts you and say, it's because of she, you don't want to hear it. They just want to go on and said we, and you don't want to hear say, it's because of the lady. So why you don't want to hear say because of the woman? And nobody ain't talking to you. But the reason why me I go down so deep in you know is because evidence is there. Because when Sophia play over some videotape, and show evidence that you're on her page, interacting with her, and you come out and show say you never talked to her before, and you never go up on her page before, how does that look, Majesty? When Sophia have all the evidence over there. How does that look when the woman have evidence? I calls out Sophia, said Sophia work in a store prior few weeks. How she know all them sort of something there? How she over there say watch and see what's going to happen? The threats and all kind of something. Because it's a plan. As I said, you're a big star for Facebook. Me's a big star too. None of no blood clot can intimidate me. I'm not afraid of none of no. Uno could have carry one me pussy on a platter. Come put it out here. Me not back down for none of no. Unless me feel like it. Me not join alliance with nobody. I mean, Sophie and a friend. Me and her is a Facebook acquaintances. Just like all of the England people will come meet me. I England. Young at in Broadway. You did say I come down there too. Me never see you. Me never see you until me went to the pirate party. Me never see you come look for me. But these people take the time, hours, and come look for me. And take come out train and bus. And then come look for me. And buy out all my little things them from me. I never see you. If me never come to pirate party, me never see you. If me never come at the party, down a brick stand, I wouldn't see you. I will never see you. And again, let me make it clear. Me poor, but me blood clot bless. And anything when I can near me too. And anywhere I go, me can go there too. It called strategizing and saving. And me can't go anywhere. So me I make that clear. I don't care if you don't have, make me live in a ghetto house. Me lease soon up. So me moving out of here, out of the rat and the cockroach house as no claim. Then when me move out of the house and go to another one, me I see a way who no cost me and tell me say. So nobody can pack no style for me. Cause some of you just live life. Some of you just drink champagne. And some of you just eat lobster and crab. And some of you just take plane. Some of you not even naturalized yet. You understand? Me know about life. Me I travel from me a 16-year-old until today. Me have a mind of my own. You understand? And wrong is wrong and right is right. I mean, I wasn't speaking about you. I was speaking about the lady. Stacy. You understand? If you want to prolong the situation, this is your problem, not mine. But try your best not call my name out and talk about I was involved. Because I have evidence to prove in a voice note. And I make sure that I ask Sophie the second time, how do you know? When she tell me, I may come out, come jump and spoke about it. I make sure so the Sunday me ask her again when me hear her come out and elaborate on it. I said, how do you know? Do you have any proof? Because me and Tina come out and I talk about it and we want to know if there is any proof to it. Because we don't want to come out and defend persons and we get cursing because Tina must go over and PH with it. Even that na my voice record too. That the part they must say did cut out a while ago. Because I never want to call her name. So I'm saying, and I asked the question and that is when she forwarded me the paperwork. So let me tell you something. Don't go over your page and cause no blood clot enemy for me. Because all that you're doing, calling up Marcia Bomber Clot Campbell name, every minute, it's like you're calling enemy on me to cuss me. When I am not your Bomber Clot target. Your target and your situation is between you and Dunkley. Not me. So if you have a different beef with me, because me I talk about your friend, come out and cuss me and talk about it and don't keep it inside. Because the whole of you are blood clot hypocrite against each other. Because me have vice mail where she don't like you. And she don't trust you. Me have many things behind closed door people saying, come give me. So don't believe, say, oh, the whole of you not trust each other. The whole of you not join each other is a piece of tick. And the whole of you is fake around blood clot each other. And living off other people contents and other people who can whatever and enhance other people. Me now work pan, me now wait pan nobody I do nothing. Me working in my own class. And me now get paid. Me now get no commercial over here. Me now get no commercial for me pay. For me something even though me say me not even know if you put it in. And whatever if you do. Me now get nothing yet. Me not even one blood clot star in a day. So me now make no money. You are making money. Me ain't making it. the lady over there, so now make none either. Me only a split justice because you take it this far. Me was over here quiet today, doing my little live show.